Hello leaders and welcome to our YouTube channel Miriam, Leonardo, Tango. Today we are going to start working with Enrosques. Enrosques to recognize the timing we should have with her steps and also the disassociation we should use. If you are ready, let's get to the dance floor and let's start working right away. Back again here, we're going to start working right away. And the first exercise that we are going to be doing is positioning our right foot. I will show you first, and then later you will do it with me. And later I will show you with Miriam how it'll work in regular steps. So stay tuned. Disassociation, soft on your knee, enrosque. Disassociation, enrosque. Disassociation without breaking the arm position, and enrosque. You have the idea now. So tips here, follow me and we are going to do this. Left leg front. We are going to cross front and we are going to soften our left knee in this case. I'm pulling back with my left shoulder blade, not with my elbow, which is one of the common problems. Common problem number one is elbow. Avoiding that, it'll be shoulder blade. Tuck, yes? Shoulder blade. Now using your abdomen, the momentum of your shoulder blade plus your abdomen, we create an enrosque. So if you notice I'm doing this, torso, soft knee, look at my arms, where they are going to be when I end. In the same position, yes? So common mistake number two is that we travel during the pivot, which is not correct. Don't do this. Did you notice that it felt clunky? So don't do that. Use your torso and then your hip. Your hip will move ahead of the position of your body. Yeah, from the position of your body. So try with me one more time. Let's do this. Front, torso, cruzada soft, pivot. And from here we're going to just do this. Uncross and walk out. Just to have a little pattern, little by little. One more time. We go left. Same time we cross, we disassociate, pivot, keep moving. At the same time, I'm moving my torso to continue the lead. I'm going to uncross and feet together, ready to walk out. Yes? So now another common mistake number three. I'm pointing that out. So one thing that we should avoid is this. One, at the same time I'm crossing, is doing this. Pivoting. Did you notice that I cross during the pivot? This is not good. Try to do this. One, cross without any pivot. Arrive to your cruzada without any pivot because you are saving space to create the pivot for later. The more you pivot at the beginning, the less it'll show as an enrosque. Let me show you. I will do it wrong. This is not good. I will do this. 1, 2, 3. Did you see the enrosque? Not much, yeah? Because I was stealing rotation from the beginning. Don't do that. Try to hold the position. 1. Hold all the more disassociation you can, and then to walk out. So when we are doing this, it's doing her back side front. I will call Miriam to show you this exercise and later it'll become a step. Before we continue with the second part of this video, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
This is an awesome online tango school where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of technique, a lot of topics, all you need.
You have the option to have downloadable videos or also watch all of them as part of our Tango membership.
Once again, the website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now, let's continue with the second part. So here we are going to start working right away with the exercise position so you see the dynamic, correct? So we are doing this. 1, I'm going to just cross front like we were doing, and I'm going to send her back side front. So I'm going to do this. Back, side, and during her front step is where I will pivot. So we arrive during her front step at the same time with her. So one more time, we'll send side, momentum back, side, front. So I'm basically pivoting. I will embrace now and we'll go quick, quick, slow. This is important. When we are doing this, let her move away, back. This is the idea. Did you notice that I didn't pivot? I will send her back and then I will hold the position. So during her side and front is where I pivot the more I can. Tuck, to pull. Yep. So with the figure, it'll look like this. 1. I will hold it here. 1 and 2. Position, back, side, front, and cross, and you can walk out. We'll do it again. Pam, pam, pam. Create 2, back, side, front, and cross, and walk out from the figure. I hope this was helpful for you leaders. If you like it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and also check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, that we have online courses, part of our membership, and also we have downloadable courses where we have Enrosques, complete course, Lapices Volume 1, Lapices Volume 2, different combinations for heroes, you name it. A lot of things for the leaders, so definitely check that out. Once again, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.